Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, check out this awesome one right here. Whoa, it's like it's looking right at us. It's rolling from the Dirt Squad. Pretty cool. Let's see what else. Do you see it? Oh, there's a red one right here. It's Scoops. Hey, it's also from the Dirt Squad. Scoops looks pretty mean though. There's another one. Radical Racer. Pretty cool. Oh, look, it's El Toro Loco. It's a pretty cool looking monster truck. Notice that one's all orange. Chassis, tires, rims, everything's orange. Oh, then we got Gravedigger over here with the mud tires. It's pretty good. And check this out over here. It's Thunderbus. Whoa, look at this. Stone Crusher. Whoa, look at this one. It's Defender 90, Land Rover Defender 90. It's got mud tires and everything. It's got mud on it. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Our bucket's starting to fill up a little bit. There's another one right here. It's Wedge from the Dirt Squad. We got a bunch of them from the Dirt Squad. I wonder how many. Oh, look at this. It's Dragonoid. Do you see any more? Oh. Look, there's one right there. Oh, it's Roger Dodger Halloween one. Is this one right here? Nope, that's a stick. There's one right here. It's Horsepower. Ooh, check this out over here. It's Glaze Machine. It's a donut monster truck. It looks like it's got strawberry flavored tires. I don't know, strawberry glazed tires. It's pretty cool. I like this one a lot. There's another one right here. It's another food truck. It's carne asada. Man, look at those tacos. Don't they look delicious? Check this out over here. There's Mohawk Warrior. That's pretty cool. Over here we got Zombie. You see any more? There's Susan over here. Sparkle Smash. Who's this over here? All around the mulberry bush, the Bulldozer.
Monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought was all in good fun. Goes the weasel.
Oh, check it out. It's Bone Shaker. Got a big pile of monster trucks. Oh wait, there's one more. It's Scooby-Doo. Check it out, Scooby-Doo. Alright, let's line all the ones we got. We found Scooby-Doo, Bulldozer, Phone Shaker, Carne Asada. I'll put the food cups in here. Ooh, Sparkle Smash. You can go over here. Glaze machine. Thunderbus. What's this? Wedge. Zombie. Mohawk Warrior. And I got Stone Crusher. What's over here? There we go. Susan. Grave Digger. Guess you can go over here. Then we got Dragon Man. Got another orange one. It's El Toro Loco. Got Land Rover Defender 90. We'll put you next to there. Right there. No, that one there. Radical Racer. You can go next to Grave Digger over here. Ooh, then we got Scoops, you go back here. Then we got Roland, you can go back here. And Horsepower, you can go over here. I'm gonna move Stone Crusher over here somewhere. Put you over here with the trucks. And we'll put Dragonoid. The Dragonoid back here. Okay, let's see how many monster trucks we have. We got, looks like 3 from the Dirt Squad. 1, 2, 3. And then we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's pretty cool. 21 monster trucks is a lot of monster trucks. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, friends.